In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix ospprearm run as administrator not working. So if you go to any of your Microsoft Office, let's say you go to your Excel or PowerPoint like this. Let's go to the PowerPoint like this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on PowerPoint and allow it to open. So looking right here, you can see this error message, which is this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. Or at the top left corner, you can see product activation failed. If you are seeing this two error message, in order for you to fix it, this is what you can easily do. You can actually go to your file manager like this. So when you go to your file manager like this, go ahead and click on the C drive, then scroll and click on program file. Now if you are using 32-bit Windows, you can go ahead and select the second one here, which is program file times 86. Otherwise, you can go ahead and select the program file. So when you click on program file like this, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on Microsoft Office, then click on Office 16. So when you click on Office 16, you're going to see the ospprearm. Go ahead and click on that like this. So when you click on that, go ahead and click on run as administrator. Do this for at least 3 times. And go ahead and click on it once more. And then go ahead and click on it for the last time. So once you're done doing this, go ahead and check the Microsoft Office to check if the error message is still showing there. Now if the error message is still showing there, this is what you can actually do next. The next step you need to take here in order to fix this problem, if this does not work out for you this way, is to go to your file manager like this. Now stay right here on your file manager. At the top corner of the screen, go ahead and copy this. So once you do that, the next step you need to take here is to go to your Microsoft Office and search for command prompts. So when you do that, go ahead and click on run as administrator. So right here, you just need to go ahead and type in cd, then go ahead and paste the text you just copied. So once you do that, this is going to load up like this. Then you need to go ahead and type in this. Go ahead and type in something like this. I'm going to leave it on this video description. You can go ahead and type in cscript ospp.vbs. You can go ahead and type it manually like this or copy it from this video description. Then this is actually going to start processing and load up this way. So right here, you just need to go ahead and copy this. Once you're done copying it, you need to come right here and paste it right here. I'm going to leave this as well on this video's description. So once you're done pasting it this way, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and clear the Microsoft Office from your background. Go ahead and clear the Microsoft Office from your background. Now once you're done clearing it from your background like this, then go ahead and relog into the Microsoft app like this. Once you do that, it is actually going to stop showing you that error message as you can see here on the screen. So whenever you see this error message again, you can easily go ahead and follow the same step and you'll be able to stop the error message from showing on your Microsoft Office. You can do this 5 times in 3 days. That is at least 150 days in 30 days. So whenever you see this error message, you can go ahead and follow the same procedure and you'll be able to resolve the issue until it stops showing up by itself. This is how simple it is to fix the ospprearm run as administrator not working. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.